Good afternoon. It is June 15th, 2021, and this is what we're looking at for today. Really just looks like we had a trend down. That trend developed into a flatter trend down, and then we got a break of this flatter trend channel and two legs up. And I don't know what happened after this point because I'm using simulated data. But this price action looks very easy to read. I hope everyone had a good day doing this, trading. Quick note, I will not be able to make a video tomorrow. I should be able to make one Thursday and Friday. And I will be not making videos all next week. But after that, I should be back. Okay, so, yeah, like we said, a very, what I think was easy to read. I wasn't watching it live, unfortunately, but this looks like very straightforward price action rules. So anyway, in the overnight, we have this leg up. Really looks like maybe this is the one leg up and a break of that trend, and two more legs up. We get a reversal up here. Prices start trending down. This kind of looks like a double top, even though this is higher. First entry, second entry. So if you look at this as a double top, first entry, second entry, you might think of this. Yeah, that's before we come in anyway. But that looks like it might be a failed second entry long. Does move down. And here, this is, I think, at 5:30 Pacific time. We get a first entry, second entry. This looks like the entry, but this is the second entry, but it doesn't break lower, and then we get this trap up here. Second entry short, near the EMA. That's why I like that. And that breaks into some congestion, but that's a good trade. And prices pull back to the EMA, and they confirm this trend channel. So that's actually a first entry, second entry. It is congested. I marked it aggressive because it's congested, but it's also going into these lows. But that does end up being a great trade, maybe even the trade of the day. So here, this looks like a second entry. It's technically a first entry, but that looks like a hidden second entry. First entry, second entry. It's off the channel. It's off the EMA. I like this. Unfortunately, I was a bit congestive, but I do like this because we're clearly trending down. So, yeah. I guess some people might be wary because we didn't make it to the bottom of this trend channel. It looks like the midline held prices. All right, we get a first entry, failed second entry long. Yeah, I do like this. I'm going to mark it as aggressive because I don't know, man. I don't think I should mark this as aggressive. Well, I'm going to mark it as aggressive because it's going straight into the lows. And what else did I just see? It didn't break higher. I think that would be marked red if it broke higher. But it didn't. But anyways, we get a first entry, second entry. That's the first break of this steeper channel. And it's back at the EMA. We are still consistently making lower lows and lower highs. So this is a lower high compared to this swing. This is the lowest point of the day so far. So I do like that, especially it looks like 4 ticks. Yeah, I'm going to take that for sure. I don't think you can enter this first, second entry just because at that point we don't know where this trend channel is. We don't know because we haven't gotten confirmation, so I don't think you can go short there. But it is a failed second entry long. That does end up working. We get confirmation of it lower part of the channel. Actually, yeah, we did get the confirmation like right here probably. But anyway, we get some more touches on the bottom of the channel. I don't see any entries in here. This is very congested. But when we get this pullback, first entry, second entry, you can definitely go short there. We've been trending down the whole day, the whole morning, and then they give you a matching high with a great trap and a great signal bar to go short beneath. So you got to go short. If you miss that trade, you got to go short there. We got a slight overshoot of this, and look, it leads to a break. All right, we get the break here. You got a small, low-risk signal bar to go short beneath. But that's, I don't know, that's above the EMA. And this is a break of this channel. We don't know what's happening yet, and this channel is still working up. So that's a bunch of reasons not to go short there. And we get an engulfing bar right after that. I don't think you can go long there. If you're going to go long at all, any point in the day, this would be it. But I don't think you're going to be. I don't think that's a good. I don't think that's good risk. When we've been making higher or lower lows and lower highs all day, all morning, that's risky. But it is a failed second entry short on an engulfing bar. So I understand why some people might have gone long there. Anyway, we get a break of that, just some sideways action, and then another leg up. And I'm not sure, we get this break, and it looks like a second entry short, first entry, second entry. So I don't know if you want to go short there. It's definitely aggressive, but we did just make this like matching high. First entry, second entry. That'd be technically be the failure of the second entry, but plenty of people, it didn't really fail. I'm sure, yeah, there were people probably going long here and just taking profits here because we've been trending down all day. So they're not trying to go like big. They're just trying to get a quick scalp. So that's probably why that works out. But anyway, that's what I saw for today. Like I said, I'm not going to be here next week, but hopefully I'll be able to make a video Thursday and Friday of this week. So I hope everyone had a good day, and I'll be back Thursday.